Is anyone else like me and spends their time procrastinating and delaying and stalling rather than just doing the jobs in hand? It's probably just me. But anyway, we're halfway through March now and spring's definitely here. And I've got so many jobs to do, some of them big, some of them small. I just don't know where to start. So my default has been just to do none of them. But I'm after some quick wins. So today I'm going to be doing two fairly quick and simple jobs that hopefully should kickstart me and motivate me into getting some of the other jobs done. My main aim is to get the workshop finished by the end of spring, but I've got other jobs to do before that. So if I can get these jobs done today, hopefully it should give me the motivation to keep going. So let's go in the garden and we'll go and have a look. Okay, the first job is to reinstall this washing line post. So I need to dig a hole. Oh, I've already done that. Right, for anyone thinking this hole isn't deep enough, to be honest with you, I'll probably agree with you. But if you go back and watch my part 2 of the workshop build, you'll see where I dug this hole out of the ground. It never moved. See the old concrete sort of tide mark is there from when it was in the ground before. I'm going a lot deeper than that this time. Just a pole, so I think it will be absolutely fine. Okay, that's that done. I'm going to leave it to set now. The pole's nice and straight, it's been supported. I've used about a bag and a third of postcrete, I guess. But I'm going to leave it an hour, and now I'm going to move on to my next project. So let's go and have a look at that. So I did a video last year of me replacing this fence out the side of the front of my house, but what I didn't do was replace the fence panels to the side, replace the fence post, but I need to replace the 2 panels. And the end one nearest the house needs cutting down as well. So that's going to be the next project. One additional thing I need to do while I'm here is when I put the post in the ground, I didn't have enough postcrete to bring the concrete up to the level of the soil, so water collects in there. So I'm going to use the last of the postcrete from the washing line post I've just put in the ground to fill in this hole, and I can taper the concrete off and any rainwater will fall away from the post rather than collecting around it. from the washing line pole now, and the concrete is set. There's absolutely no movement in the pole at all. It's rock solid. So I'm going to put some soil back in the hole, put the grass that I cut out earlier back in, and it will look like nothing ever happened. So there you go then, two fairly straightforward and simple jobs done in just one day that I can tick off the list of things to do. So my main aim today was to try and motivate myself to get some of the bigger jobs done around the garden, because once they're done, I can move on to getting this workshop finished, which is my main focus at the moment. If you're sitting in your house looking out in your garden, just get out there and cut the grass or paint that fence panel, and that may motivate you into getting some of the bigger jobs done as well. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.